So you have got a GoDaddy domain and now you want to connect that to your Lovable AI project. That's great. I will show you how. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. First, open your project in Lovable AI. And for this video, I'm going to select this project. Once the project is open, click the drop-down menu in the top right corner and go to Settings, and then select Domain, and then click Connect Domain and type your GoDaddy name, for example, yourname.com, then click Continue. Lovable will show you 2 A records. Copy them carefully. Now log into your GoDaddy account. Now go to My Account and then select Domains. Find your domain and click DNS to open DNS management. Now scroll down to A record section. If there are any A records for @ or www, delete them first. Click Add, choose type A. For the name or host, type @ and for the value, paste the first IP address Lovable give you and then click Save. Add another A record, this time for name type www and paste the second IP address for the value, then click Save again. And go back to Lovable and click Done. Your domain is now connecting. So remember, DNS change can take up to 48 hours to propagate. So you just have to wait, and that's how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.